Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the backing track and creating separate tracks so signals never collide. Load the instrumental at the correct tempo and confirm key to avoid pitch clashes. Once done, arm the vocal track and set input to your mic. Keep gain low so peaks don't clip. Make a send or bus for the backing so you can control headphone mix independently. Do this now so monitoring and routing are ready before you sing a single note. Next, build a comfortable headphone mix that balances backing and live vocal. Reduce the backing level in the cue so your voice sits clearly. Boost the vocal cue slightly for confidence. Make sure you're using a low-latency audio driver and set the buffer to 64-256 samples to avoid delay. Apply gentle processing, high pass to remove rumble, light compression to even dynamics, so what you hear matches what listeners will get. This keeps timing tight and pitch steady as you sing. Now perform and record. Sing several complete takes, and if a phrase is great, do a punch-in or comp later. Once you have passes, listen for alignment and nudge vocal regions by milliseconds to lock timing with the backing. When satisfied, bounce stems, a stereo backing track and separate vocal stems so you can remix or fix timing. If things go wrong, latency or phase issues, recheck driver/buffer and ensure the backing isn't routed through the same input bus as your live mic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.